How to put digital creator on a Facebook profile. Let's get started. Launch your Facebook app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You will land to the home page. Now head towards the profile page. Once you land to your profile, over here you're gonna find different options. Click on this option of 3 dots. Now over here you will see the option of turn on professional mode. Click on this option. Click on turn on. Now you have to choose your default audience. I'm gonna set it to friends. Once you choose that, click on next. Click on confirm. Click on done. Now you have to finish setting up your profile. You have to complete these processes, connect with your audience, likewise review privacy settings and establish your presence. Once you complete these, you can go to your profile. Now refresh your profile page. Scroll down. And over here you will be able to see profile digital creator. So this is how you can easily put digital creator on Facebook profile. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.